Hi everyone, I am Ofalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to discuss die transitive or catch from active voice into passive voice. Before starting this, we will just look at the definition of die transitive verb or detransitive verbs. Die and de means two transitive which can be changed into passive voice and verb which shows an action. So those verbs which need two objects and can be changed in passive voice into four ways. When we are able to change them into four ways are called the die or detransitive verbs. Die transitive verbs need two objects, one direct object and one indirect object. What are direct object? Or non-livings, or whatever the non-livings we have, those will be called the direct object, and all livings are called indirect object. Whatever the livings we have indirect are called indirect object. So see, all non-livings are called direct object and all livings are called indirect object. Die transitive verb need two objects. Why? Because if you put one of the objects, the meaning won't be clear and understandable. Like I say, he catches me. I'm not a fish or I'm not a ball that he will catch me. Or sometimes, for punishment he may catch me. So over there, even sometimes the meaning will be not clear and sometimes it will be wrong. And if as a ball he catches me, so the meaning is wrong. And if he catches me for what, that is not now clear and understandable. And if I say he catches a bird, now he catches a bird, but for whom he catch that, for whom does he catch? So for that, the indirect and direct object both are necessary to be put together. Now if I say he catches me a bird, now over there the sense is clear. He catches me what? A bird. He catches a bird for whom? For me. So over there the meaning is clear and understandable. Now mostly we bring indirect object at the beginning and direct at the end. But if you want to shuffle the places of the both, so your indirect object me will be followed by a preposition. Like I say, he catches a bird for me. So this is the way to change it in active voice into two ways. But our main target, how we are going to change it from passive voice, from active voice into passive voice into four ways, that we will be discussing. Before starting that, today we have got a modal auxiliary verb that is known as should. Modal auxiliary verb should is used for the possibility of 75%. As we have previously discussed that must is used for 100% possibility of an action, and ought to is less stressable than must and more stressable than should, so it is used for 85%. And today we have got the modal auxiliary verb that is known as should. It is used for 75% of an action. So he should catch us fish, he should catch fish for us. Keep in your mind, fish is the plural, and if you say fishes, so the meaning won't be that will be wrong. And in one sense it will be clear. Fishes means of different categories, like we say shark, dolphin and some more starfish, whatever, these all together are called fishes. But one category of, even there are 100 or maybe 1000 or maybe 10,000, these all will be called fish. Whether they are more than one, they will be called fish. Like I caught 1000 fish, or I caught 1000 dolphin fish. So over there fish means that plural for all. A fish means singular, but only fish you are writing means you are talking more than one. So he should catch us fish, he should catch fish for us. Keep in your mind here, mostly we bring indirect object at the beginning, but when you bring it at the end, your indirect object will be followed by a preposition. Main target, how we are going to change it from active voice into passive voice. When you bring your subject in place of object, here by him, so here by him will not be called your object, it will be called here agent. And what is the definition of agent? It tells us who does an action. In passive voice, by him is doing an action, so that is called agent. And when you bring direct, whether indirect object or direct object at the beginning, us changes into we and fish remains as it is. So here it will not be it will be called subject, but it will not be called the doer of an action subject, but it will be called, the topic or the title subject. And what is title and topic subject? A person, place, or a thing in a sentence which we are talking about. So in first and second sentence we are talking about we, in third and fourth sentence we are talking about fish. And when you bring them at the beginning, so we comes at the beginning, so by him at the beginning, fish at the end, fish at the beginning, by him at the end. And when you bring fish at the place of subject, so by him comes at the beginning, for us at the end, for us at the beginning, by him at the end. Sentences will be changed in this way: we should be caught by him a fish, we should be caught a fish by him, fish should be caught by him for us, and fish should be caught for us by him. Next we have got negative sentences. Those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, and refuse the statement are called negative sentences. He should not catch us fish, he should not catch fish for us, we should not be caught by him fish, we should not be caught fish by him, fish should not be caught by him for us, and fish should not be caught for us by him. Next we have got interrogative sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question and put queries are called interrogative sentences. Should he catch us fish, should he catch fish for us, should we be caught by him fish, should we be caught fish by him, should fish be caught by him for us, and should fish be caught for us by him. Next we have got formal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal and polite way are called formal sentences. Should he not catch us fish, should he not catch fish for us, and should we not be caught by him fish, should we not be caught by him fish, and should fish not be caught by him for us, and should fish not be caught for us by him. Last we have got informal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way, friendly atmosphere. We use it with our juniors and youngers. Shouldn't he catch us fish, shouldn't he catch fish for us, shouldn't we be caught by him fish, shouldn't we be caught by him fish, and shouldn't fish be caught by him for us, and shouldn't fish be caught for us by him. So these are the sentences of ditransitive verb catch with modal auxiliary verb should, from active voice into passive voice into 4 ways. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.